The first dynamic to check is how the client is lying on the table. Clients tend to lie down at an angle with some twists and kinks. Linda gently organizes Jamie's head so it isn't tilted. Then, with Jamie's help, I organize her legs on the bolster. Linda places her hands on the tops of Jamie's feet. With soft hands, she makes a full contact. I'm using the Alexander technique to show Linda how to use her own skeleton to ground Jamie. The key is in Linda's energetic alignment and her upright, balanced stance, including Linda's awareness of Jamie's whole being all the way up to her head. I place a tangerine lemurian coated with calcite under Jamie's hands and use this opportunity to connect. Hands offer a direct path to the heart, and touching Jamie's hand is like touching her heart. Phase 1 is about calming the client and setting up the right atmosphere and vibrational frequency for the healing session. Linda places a raw carnelian under Jamie's left hand and also connects with her heart. Linda is a licensed massage therapist. We place rose quartz under the calves. For infusing loving energy throughout the session. Aquamarine between the lower legs and knees to encourage an energetic realignment. Cashalong under the heels. For reflecting white light into the energy system. Then we spend time connecting with the feet, as we did with the hands. Many clients only begin to relax once their feet have been touched. Most people have sore and tired feet, and this contact is very comforting. Next comes fanning, and I demonstrate how not to fan with a straight movement. Linda shows another common error: short strokes. What we want is one continuous stroke that follows the contours of the body. If you don't have a fan or feather, you can use your hand. Remember to fan the arms. and not to cross the midline of the body when fanning. The secret to a smooth, continuous movement is in allowing your feet to move. We also fan the bottoms of the feet 3 times. This is called sweeping. Using a crystal cluster, we point the terminations at the physical body and do a continuous movement that follows the contours. I'm encouraging Linda to ensure the crystal terminations are pointed at Jamie's body. Sweeping clears the energy field of debris, just like sweeping your kitchen floor. If you don't have a crystal cluster, you can use your hands. This action is a little more like peeling than sweeping, but it works well. Curl your fingers to make them rake-like. And clear your hands afterwards. We do sweep the bottoms of the feet as well. We continue with laying on of hands to help Jamie become present in her physical body and receptive to healing energy. Notice that we place our hands on bones, shoulders and knees, feet and knees, knees and hands, hands and shoulders, shoulders and head, head and rib cage. We're ready to proceed with opening the chakras. When there are 2 people, it is helpful to hold the client's feet whenever not occupied with some other technique. If you like, you can use your hand to open the chakras. I'm showing Linda where the epicenter of the palm chakra is and explaining that this must connect with Jamie's chakra. I'll help Linda to get the right connection. So that she can feel the texture and energy of Jamie's solar plexus chakra. Once Linda can clearly sense the energy, her hand takes over and knows what to do. Back to our wands. We sync up to give Jamie an unusual experience. 2 chakras being opened simultaneously. This is extra powerful. The last part of Phase 1 is to complete placing the support stones. I grid the root chakra with garnet. This activates the chakra system, like switching on your stove. Only once there is heat can the cooking process begin. I place the garnet in the overlap between the root and sacral chakras. Then we follow with a color-matched chakra layout, placing our beloved orange calcite hearts. Yellow danbarite and yellow opal. Rose quartz and Peruvian fluorite. Blue lace agate, seraphinite cabochon, and an aquamarine Vogel-style crystal to invite centering of the energy body. We complete Phase 1 with another comforting contact, and we're ready to proceed to Phase 2. Let the healing begin.